Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to day 2 of my 31-day challenge. Today I'm going to be installing a French cleat system in my yard shed. To start, I got a piece of whiteboard 1x6 and I'm going to cut that in half with my radial arm saw on a 45-degree bevel. This will give us the cleat, but it'll give us 2 cleat. That'll be about 2 3/4 inch each. Once those are cut, all I have to do is cut them to length so they fit between the studs. So each board gives us 2 pieces. One is the cleat and one for the fixture that will attach to the wall. Here's the section of this shed that I'm going to attach the cleats to. Since I only have siding and some 2x4 supports, I'm going to use a pocket jig to use pocket screws to attach the cleats to the wall. This jig is very easy to use and pretty straightforward. It has a special drill bit that cuts the hole on an angle, and it has special screws, but I just used 1 5/8 inch deck screws. To space out the cleats, I just used a simple 2x4. So as soon as the first cleat was on and level, I used the 2x4 as I attached all the other supports. I also cut a test piece of the cleat just to make sure my spacing was good. With everything looking good, I just have to attach all the cleats. Alright, so here's all the cleats on the one side that I was going to attach. As you can see, I used the Craig pocket screws on the first one, but the rest I just used the deck screws. So now for the first thing to attach. I used my scrap piece of cleat, and I have a first aid kit, and that's really the first thing that you should have in a shed. So I'm just going to take 2 screws right through the back of the plastic and into the cleat. That's pretty much it. What's really great about this system is it allows for expansion and movability. I mean, you could just slide these and put these wherever you want. So this way you're not just putting a hook and this is where it is. And if it's a first aid kit, I mean, you can easily grab it off the shelf and take it with you. So guys, I hope you like this video. The next video I'll have probably plans for some additional units that I'll have on the cleat system. Thanks for watching.